ants swarming your garbage is the worst, but you can totally stop them with some easy tricks you probably haven't tried yet. First off, make sure your trash cans have tight-fitting lids that actually seal. Ants can sniff out even the tiniest crumb, so don't give them an open invitation. Next, take your garbage out often, like every day or every other day, so it doesn't sit around and become a buffet for ants. You can also rinse out food containers before tossing them in the bin to cut down on smells that ants love. Sprinkle some natural deterrents like cinnamon, vinegar, or lemon juice around your trash cans to keep ants away without harsh chemicals. If you see ant trails near your garbage, wipe them down with soapy water to erase their scent paths. Keep the area around your cans clean and dry because ants hate moisture mixed with food smells. And if you've got a compost bin, be extra careful to seal it well and manage it regularly since it's a hotspot for ants. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with ants attracted to garbage is using open or poorly sealed trash bins because that just makes it easier for ants to get inside. Fix this by upgrading to bins with locking lids or adding rubber seals. Another issue is letting garbage pile up too long, which basically turns your yard into an ant magnet. Taking out trash more often solves this easily. Lastly, ignoring ant trails around your garbage means you're missing a chance to stop them before they multiply, so clean those trails with soap and water to confuse the ants and block their paths. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to pest control and home maintenance. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making it a win-win for keeping your home ant-free and in great shape.